there is a controversy on tri-language.
Three language
Yeah,
formula.
tri-language formula. What is your stand? What is your
No,
party
as
stand?
far as ADMK party is concerned, we are only for two language formula. This is a long issue from British period onwards, where people are opposing Hindi is the alone language to be the official language of this country. That South Indian, especially Tamil Nadu, is not accepting that. Our founder of the movement, Parent Anna, he was also Rajya Sabha member 62 to 67 at that time. He spoke categorically in the house. We are not for English. Somebody, when he said about the language issue, when they are bringing the official language Hindi at that time he spoke, when he is gone arguing the language issue, Vajpayee interfered and asked, are you supporting English? You are Wakalat, you are making English, is it a fact? Immediately Anna said, I am not for English. I am for my mother tongue Tamil has to become official language of this country. We are fighting for that. We fought for freedom not only for one language. We are different culture, different languages are there. It's a federal system. All the language, each schedule must be treated as official language of this country. That is everywhere right. Therefore, why the one language is dominating? The British introduced English, they dominated us. When the Mughals ruling their Persian and Urdu language, they dominated official language. Now you want to impose Hindi. This is the fact where you got freedom. Therefore, you have to respect the feelings of the South Indian, especially our Tamil people. We are for all languages. For Punjabi language, Bengali language, Marathi language, Telugu language, all we are respecting. We are not against one language, not Hindi. But imposing Hindi, we won't accept. That is the stand he has taken. Then after becoming a chief minister, he passed a resolution in the Assembly of Tamil Nadu, two language formula. We are for Tamil language. English is one of the international languages useful for higher studies. Therefore, we are supporting this language. Hindi is not necessary for us. That is the resolution. We consistently, our MGR also, who founder of the ADMK, and Madam Jayalalitha also, after becoming chief minister, she also passed a resolution. We are standing for the two language formula. One is mother tongue is Tamil, and for other purposes, English can be there. These two languages, Hindi is not necessary. Those who are studying, that is different. As for the policy of the government, we won't accept the imposition of the Indian. That is the language. There, afterwards, what happened? Congress is the root cause for this all issues now. Congress only introduced Hindi as the third official language of this country, 1965. Then three languages were also brought by the Congress thing. Then afterwards, when Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister, became Prime Minister, 1970 emergency period, she brought the education state subject to the central concurrent list. Therefore, the right of the education is the state subject taken by the Congress. This is all Allah Gullah is going on because the language issue, because the education has come into the concurrent list. If at all continued there, then state government would have the right to have their own education policy and language policy in the instruction. Now given to who has taken, the Congress has given. Then 2010, for example, NEET examination also introduced by the Congress. Ghulam Azad, the health minister, at that time medical council recommended for the NEET examination. Then that Gandhi Selvan, the DMK MOS, introduced this bill, NEET examination. NEET exam also conducted 2012, they conducted the examination. But court has given the stay, that is different. But examination conducted. Therefore, NEET examination also, during the period happened. At that time, DMK was in the power. The appointing the Vice Chancellor, another controversy. The UGC brought the regulation to put one of the members from the UGC to selection of the Vice Chancellor. During this happened 2010. 2000 was the ruling. The ruling by the UPA government. DMK is the part of the government. Then afterwards, now the governor of Tamil Nadu not appointed 7 vice chancellors of the vacancies. Today also on controversy, one more vacancy has come. When the DMK government said he rejected, he wanted UGC nominee there. Who is the root cause for the UGC nominee to become a member of the selection committee? 2010, that UPA government, DMK is a part of the government. Why they allowed that? Then afterwards, then education policy also, the three language, all brought by the Congress government. DMK is a part of the blame. Now they are blaming the present government. That is different issue. Why they are playing that is different issue. But our stand, ADMK stand, consequently we are for two language formula. Then CBSE schools are coming now in Tamil Nadu. CBSE is under control of central government. NOC is governed by the state government. How many CBSE schools the DMK government given the NOC now during their period? Why they have given NOC for CBSE school? This is central government subject. Therefore, let the DMK answer for this. Why they have given? If at all they are sincere to implement two language formula, to stop the CBSE school to come, because education is also concurrent list. State government can play the role in that. Therefore, matriculation is another system is there. When I was education minister, 2001, I created separate directorate for matriculation schools. Matriculation English medium school. Tamil medium is also there in government schools. English medium also there. Separate like CBSE. Another category is the matriculation schools in Tamil Nadu. It is under the control of Tamil Nadu. It's not a central government. If they want to continue this two language formula, there are two ways. One is one CBSE, one line is there. If they put extra big line, two lines, if they made the strong